If you're looking for a high-performance countertop oven that reduces your cooking time by up to 30% and where you can choose from 10 cooking functions, then look no further than the Breville Smart Oven Pro countertop convection oven. Today we're reviewing this product to see if this is something you'd like to pick up. I love this product because it is a versatile countertop oven that lets you toast, bagel, bake, roast, broil, pizza, cookies, reheat, warm, and slow cook. It has a smart oven convection setting which reduces cooking time by up to 30% and has a built-in fan that helps circulate the hot air within the oven, which speeds the cooking process by stripping away the cold air that surrounds your food. There is enough room for 6 slices of bread, a 13-inch pizza, a roasted chicken, a 9-cup muffin tray, and even slow cooking with a 4.4 quart Dutch oven. You can slow cook up to 10 hours before the setting automatically turns to keep warm. The integrated oven light automatically turns on at the end of the cooking cycle to help you see inside. It measures 18.5 by 15.7 by 11.1 inch. I couldn't resist but make also some Nutella cookies in this oven. This is my go-to oven instead of using my main oven for all the different things I need to bake, broil, slow cook, and so forth. If you're looking for a multi-function countertop convection oven, then consider picking up this product. Hope this was helpful in making your purchasing decision.